I have a friend thinking of owning a property in a secure, thriving location. Then someone told us about Adunni Estate in Ibadan. We were skeptical about it at first, so we both decided to go there and see it for ourselves. And believe me, here are top 5 reasons why Adunni Estate should be your next smart investment. Number 1. Prime location. Adunni Estate in Ibadan is strategically located just minutes away from major highways and urban hubs. So whether you're buying for residential comfort or future resale value, location is everything, and this estate delivers. Number 2. Top-notch security. Peace of mind is priceless. Adunni Estate in Ibadan offers 24/7 security, a gated entrance, and CCTV surveillance, ensuring that you and your loved ones are always protected. Number 3. High return on investment. Property prices in this area are rising very, very fast. It is because Ibadan is the 3rd biggest city in Nigeria. So buying now means you are getting in early with massive appreciation potentials over time. Number 4. Modern infrastructure. From good road networks to clean water and reliable electricity plants, Adunni Estate Ibadan is designed for comfort and convenience, not just promises, but progress you can see. And finally, the best part, number 5, flexible, affordable payment options. You don't need to break the bank. With affordable plans and installment options, owning a piece of land in Adunni Estate is within reach, no matter your budget. So what are you waiting for? Secure your future today, just as my friend will be doing hers in Adunni Estate Ibadan, where comfort, security, and value meet. Text or WhatsApp the number on your screen, or also follow us at Ayinke Global Properties on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or send us an email at ayinkeglobalproperties@gmail.com.